Welcome to my cooking recipe TV channel. Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup is a type of soup that is made with a variety of vegetables and is often seasoned with herbs and spices. It is a healthy and nourishing dish that can be enjoyed as a starter or a main course, and it is a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. Vegetable soup can be made with a variety of fresh or frozen vegetables, depending on what is available and in season. Some common vegetables that are used in vegetable soup include carrots, tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, zucchini, and potatoes. Vegetable soup can also be made with legumes, such as lentils or beans, for added protein and fiber. It is a versatile dish that can be customized to suit your taste and dietary needs, and it is easy to make at home with just a few simple ingredients. Vegetable soup is often served hot, but it can also be enjoyed chilled in the summertime. Here is a simple recipe for making vegetable soup at home. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 cups mixed vegetables, such as carrots, peas, bell peppers, and zucchini, 1 14.5 ounce can diced tomatoes, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1/2 cup uncooked pasta, such as elbow macaroni or small shells, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. 2. Add the onion and cook until it is translucent. 3. Add the garlic and cook for an additional minute. 4. Add the mixed vegetables, tomatoes, vegetable broth, pasta, basil, and oregano to the pot. 5. Bring the soup to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and the pasta is cooked. 6. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Serve the vegetable soup hot, garnished with fresh herbs or grated cheese, if desired. Don't forget to like, share, drop your comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.